Traditional access control is cumbersome. It can be complex and expensive to buy, and even more costly to run. With Verifsuite Access, controlling access to offices and facilities is made simpler, more secured, and at the same time more mobile-centric. Verifsuite Access comes with the most relevant features, including integration with HR and third-party automation. From biometrics to digital mobile, you can easily control access rights to doors, gates, lifts, storage, and remote sites. Temporary and scheduled access for visitors and contractors can be easily granted with a few taps on the phone or a call away. Verifsuite Access is a pay-as-you-use service. No servers, no complex systems. No need for in-house expertise or resource. No upfront payment. No worries about uptime and maintenance or warranty. Enjoy the freedom of managing access on the go. This is Verifsuite Access. Access for a new world.